This lamb had no father. She had three mothers instead, 277 tries. Only one of them lived. Her name was Dolly. She was born on the 5th of July, 1996, in a shed at the Roslin Institute in Scotland. She was not the first cloned mammal. People always get that wrong. Two lambs called Megan and Morag came a year before her, but they were grown from embryo cells, cells that could still become anything. Dolly was different. Dolly came from an adult, a single cell frozen years earlier, taken from the udder of a 6-year-old ewe, which is exactly why she was named after Dolly Parton. A farmhand suggested it. The scientists could not resist. Here is what those 277 actually were: reconstructed embryos, each one an empty egg with an adult nucleus pushed inside. Only 29 of them were ever put into a sheep. 13 ewes carried them. One pregnancy held. The world found out in February 1997. A newspaper leaked the story 4 days before the science was published. But how did anyone know she really was a clone? Her face was white. The sheep who carried her was black-faced, suggestive, but not proof. The proof was in her DNA, checked at 4 separate places in the genome. And then she just lived, like a sheep. She had 6 lambs of her own, starting with Bonnie in 1998. Then on the 14th of February 2003, she died, aged 6. A lung tumor caused by a virus that spreads among sheep kept indoors. She also had arthritis. And that is where the story went wrong, because the world decided clones age faster. It even had evidence. Her chromosome tips were short for her age. So for 20 years, that was the lesson. Cloning breaks you. Then somebody actually checked. In 2016, researchers examined 13 cloned sheep aged 7 to 9. 4 of them were made from the very same cell line as Dolly. They were fine, no early aging, nothing. A year later, another team X-rayed Dolly's own skeleton again. Her arthritis was completely normal for a sheep her age. And the original claim? It came from a single line in a conference abstract. The most famous fact about the most famous clone was never really proven at all.